Hii relocation ni stress mob. Machine na goods zote lazima ziwe safe na time ni tight.
Wait a minute. I think niko na number ya affordable movers. Let me call them, see if they do industry relocation. Let's wait for affordable movers. They will be here in 1 hour or 2.
Relax boss. Affordable movers tupo. Tutashughulikia kila kitu professionally. Tunabeba machine na goods zote kwa safety. Hakuna kitu kinachoweza kuharibiwa.
Hii relocation ilikuwa smooth. Kila kitu kiko poa.
Are you out there and need movers to help with industry or warehouse relocation? Call Affordable Movers today at 0726148038. We give the best services, protect your goods, and relocate you safely.